We've got ourselves a snowy day today. Oh, maybe an inch or two, maybe. I think is all we're supposed to get. But it is Thursday today, and Thursday is the day that I typically go to the thrift store. So I'm not going to let a little snow keep me from going to the thrift store. So I am going to grab my keys, bundle up a little bit, and dig out my car and head for the thrift store, and I'll take you guys along with me. I think we'll go to Goodwill first and see how that goes, because that is not very far from my house. And if the roads are terrible, then we'll just go to that one today. So let's go see what we can figure out. Made it to Goodwill. I just took the side roads from my house here, and it wasn't terrible. I haven't hit the main roads yet, but it seems to be moving pretty good out there. You can see. So I don't know. I think I should probably be able to make it to the next one. But first of all, let's go into Goodwill here and see if we can find anything good. I thought these plates were absolutely gorgeous. And look at this, a whole stack of serving dishes that match those plates. Oh, they're so pretty. I loved this tureen, but I think I have one at home already that matches it. I believe it's from Cordon Bleu. It's not an old one, but I love the shape of it. This coffee grinder was so cool. It was $20. It looked like it was in working condition, but it was so big. I really didn't have a spot for it, but I thought it was really cool. So I went through Goodwill and I found a few things to bring home with me. So now we are going to go to Unique, which is my favorite thrift store here in town. And the snow has stopped. So hopefully the roads are getting a little better at this point. We shall see, we shall see. So let's head to the next store and see if we can't find something amazing. Look at this mid-century dresser. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's in pretty good condition too. And in the top drawer, it has something I've never seen before. This little built-in. I've never seen that in a dresser before. I think that is pretty cool. I thought these lamps were pretty cool, but I have no use for any more lamps right now. But they were pretty good, and they were only $12.99, and there's a pair, so I thought that was pretty neat. And I'm not sure how I missed this, but this goes with that dresser. This is a smaller, shorter dresser with the mirror on top, and it is in gorgeous condition as well. Look at this adorable high chair. Oh, I think it is so cute. I love high chairs. I don't know what my problem is, but I think they are so much fun. I was very tempted by this jewelry box, and now I'm kind of regretting that I didn't pick it up. It's a nice small size that I think would look really cute stacked on top of another vintage jewelry box, which I happen to have one from my mom right now on my dresser. So it would have went perfectly. I don't know what I was thinking. And would you look at this, a vintage camera for $6.99. Oh, look at that, I almost dropped it, but I recovered, don't worry. It actually looks like one I already had, so I left that behind. And this I thought was really neat. It's a travel iron. The handle actually folds down. Look at that cord. This thing looks like it has never been used before. It is so gorgeous. And then they also had another one that looks slightly newer, but it was neat too. So I just thought those were pretty cool looking. I absolutely loved this, but I actually have two of them at home already, so I didn't think I needed to get another one, but I just love these so much. They look absolutely gorgeous with flower arrangements in them. And here's another repeat item for me. I have this exact little tray at home. I absolutely love it. It's by Chromix. I think these little trays are so fun. And look at this down here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted it so bad, but I really have no use for it, so I had to pass it up, but I think it is awesome. You guys, look what is hidden in the back of the shelf. A thermos! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is in a gorgeous red and black color, and it is only $5.99. That is definitely going in my cart. And then, if you can believe it, right next to it, the companion wide mouth thermos as well. Amazing. These are both by Aladdin. I can't remember if I said that or not. Look how pretty this tray is. It's totally me, and I put it in my cart and I carried it around with me. But at the very last second, I decided to put it back. So I don't know what I was thinking. And look at this vintage cake carrier. I love these so much. I have a couple at home, so of course I had to pass this one up because they are big and bulky to store, but oh man, I think they are the coolest thing ever. I was really drawn to this as well, and I didn't pick it up, but I don't know why I don't know, it's just so different for me, but I thought it was really cute. It must be because spring is coming. That must be why I was drawn to it so much, but I thought it was really cute. Alright, so it has officially stopped snowing, and I have just finished up at the last thrift store that I'm going to go to today. Like I said earlier, I was hoping to get to another one, but the roads are not really fun today with all the snow that just came down. So I'm going to wait till another day because it's about 20 minutes away down a freeway. I don't really want to get on a freeway today. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it today with only 2 thrift stores under my belt. But I found some great things in this last one that I am super excited about. So I cannot wait to share with you what I found. And I will be sharing everything that I picked up in today's Thrift With Me next Thursday. So make sure you stop back for that. And I'll share with you all my new goodies that I love so much. And it should be pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed going thrifting with me today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye now.